I'm David with Paint Protection Charlotte, and today we're working on paint protection film. That is one of our biggest services at the shop, and over the course of 4 years of installing film, we've worked on numerous cars, from daily drivers to million-dollar exotic cars, and I continually trying to figure out the best way of installing the film, giving the most protection, the best looking installs. What I found is that initially I was installing pre-cut templates, but as I continued to improve my installs, I found that, areas that are exposed still can get chipped up, and overall, it's not a good looking install. So what we have decided to do, and what we have been doing for a few years now, is installing custom advanced installs where we try and wrap every edge possible to give the cleanest, best looking install. So that's what we're going to be working on today, but you can definitely see the difference between a pre-cut install and the custom installs that we do all the time now. Take for instance, like before, there was a leading edge that was exposed, potentially can get chipped. So when we lay the fill down, every corner is completely rolled and tucked, so there's no leading edge exposed.